Let's begin working with formulas. Now, formulas are a type of function. We'll be working with functions in a while. For now, we'll think of a function as a way of using a value we're given to find a value we're interested in. And a formula is a kind of function that uses algebra to express a fact or a rule. Here's an example of a formula. This formula takes temperature in degrees Celsius, and after you've operated on the Celsius temperature, you'll find an equivalent Fahrenheit temperature. Now, formulas use an equality symbol. A lot of students call this the equal sign, and it separates two expressions into a left side and a right side. So here's our equality symbol. Now, with a formula, the left side usually contains a single letter, and that holds the place of the value we're looking for. And the right side is an expression. It's built from numbers, variables, operators, and grouping. And the right side contains a variable for the value that we're given. So let's practice choosing the right formula given a certain situation. We'll begin with temperature, and again, C stands for the Celsius temperature, and F for the Fahrenheit temperature. Here's the first one. Since I'm given Fahrenheit and I'm looking for Celsius, this would be the right formula. How about here? Here I'm given Celsius and looking for Fahrenheit, so I would use this formula. How about this one? Here, since I'm looking for a Fahrenheit temperature and I'm probably given a Celsius temperature, it would be this formula. And here's our last one for temperature. I'm given a Fahrenheit temperature and I'm looking for a Celsius temperature, so this would be the right formula. Let's try one more set. In this case, I have a relationship between the amount still owed on a loan, that will be A, and the number of months I've been paying on the loan, and that would be T. Which formula would I use to answer this? Here I'm given a time that I've been paying, and I'm wondering how much I still owe. That would be this formula. How about here? Here I'm given an amount and I'm looking for a time. That would be this one. How about this question? Here I'm interested in finding a time. I would use this formula. And here's the last one. Here I'm looking for the original amount of the loan, and so I will use this formula. Well, that concludes this video. In the next video, we'll practice applying formulas.